Have you ever gone on a trip that changes your perspective on life? This is a story about one of those trips.
We didn't know we were gonna run out of food. Am I getting soft? Is this really as hard as it's supposed to be? I wish we had a 20-day trip. So one thing we've encountered on trail is dead towns and what I'd call half-dead towns.
I love you.
Like when we added the extra 40 miles of the Montauk Trail, be like, oh, we'll get through that lickety split. No big deal. It's like an extra day and a half. River, this is so exciting. It's your first time setting up shelter in a rainstorm. Getting to a campsite we didn't know we had to pay for, realizing we have to pay for it. Realizing we're in someone else's site that they already paid for. Moving sites. Biking to get service to book the site. Forgetting the credit card.
How about biking with a toddler who needs non-stop help? Oh yay! Yippee! That's fun!
Hey, are you having fun?
Yeah. How many more miles? How comfortable is my body? Am I getting a headache? Are there bugs biting me right now? How do I not scratch my bug bites? Ooh, faster, 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 faster!
There's a light at the end of my tunnel.